are numbers. What is the meaning of knowing? Knowing means to understand. Okay. So what understanding are numbers? What is the meaning of numbers? In our day-to-day life, we use many numbers. Like I scored 90% in my 10th standard. Or your mom may say, bring 4 kgs of rice. Means what? What is this 4? What is this 90? This all are numbers. So how these numbers are formed? The number consists of 10 symbols, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Means what? Only these 10 numbers are there? No, the number can extend to infinity. But how? By combining these numbers, we can represent any amount in the form of numbers. So in this chapter, we will understand how these numbers are arranged, how these numbers makes a value. Okay? So now let us start with the first topic, which is ascending and descending. What is the meaning of ascending? Your teacher may have told you that arrange yourself in ascending order. Means what? The shortest person of your class will stand in the front and the longest person, height-wise, will stand at the back. Means what? You're forming a queue like this. Isn't it? It goes on increasing. So that is what these numbers were arranged. For example, 0. 0 was the smallest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So this was how the numbers were arranged in ascending orders. Then how these numbers became 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number by combining these numbers. That is, we will understand which is the smallest 1-digit number. It is 0 because 0 से कम कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Like for example, you scored 0 marks in your exam. Can the marks be negative? It cannot be negative. Means what? In the number line, the shortest number, 1-digit number is what? 0. Now after 1, what comes was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 9. Then 2-digit numbers. After 9, there was no digit. So what? We made a combination of 2 digits to make it 2-digit number. Like we made a combination of 1 and 0. So the shortest or the smallest 2-digit number is 10 because it is combining of 1 and 0. Then 11, 12, 13 and so on till 99, which is the biggest 2-digit number. It is 99 because add 99 के बाद क्या आता है in the number line? It comes to 100 and 100 is what? 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number. So which is the largest or the biggest 2-digit number? It is 99. So let us write. Which is the smallest 1-digit number? This is smallest. This is biggest number. So 1-digit number सबसे छोटा क्या था? It is 0 because 0 से कम नहीं हो सकता है कुछ भी. And the largest 1-digit number is what? 9. Second, what is 2-digit smallest number? It is 10. As I said, 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 9 is a 1-digit number, but 9 के बाद 2-digit number start होते हैं. So which is the first 2-digit number? It is 10. So it is the smallest. Now it goes on till how much? 99. Because after 99 what comes? 100. 100 क्या हो गया? 3-digit number. So which is the biggest 2-digit number? It is 99. अभी 99 तो 2-digit हो गया. 2-digit के बाद 3rd digit कहाँ से start होता है? 100. Means what? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. So 100. फिर ये भी extend होता है till 99. 999. इसके बाद अगर इसके 999 के बाद अगर मैंने एक और ऐड कर दिया सपोज +1. So 9 + 1 10. 9 + 1 10. 9 + 1 10. कितने डिजिट हो गए? 4 digit. 1000. Means what? 4 digit. Smallest number is 1000. And the biggest is 9999. So similarly, you can group the smallest and biggest numbers into infinite numbers. So numbers का कोई end नहीं होता है. Like A, B, C, D. Z पे आके रुक जाती है. There is no alphabet after Z. But in numbers, you can write infinite numbers. For example, this number 1, 1, 3, 1 3 6 7 4 3 2 1 0 5 8 कितना भी मैं लिख सकती हूँ. It does not have any full stop. Now let us understand what in detail what is this ascending and descending. हमने वन डिजिट नंबर्स को तो देख लिया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 के बाद 10 11 12 13 14 15 like this it goes on. Ascending means what? छोटे से बड़ा. Now similarly what is the meaning of descending? Descending is totally opposite to ascending. If I say 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 means what? Proper sequence क्या है? 1 is the smallest and 9 is the biggest. But मैंने इसको उल्टा लिखा है. When I write it उल्टा, it becomes what? Descending order, which is totally opposite to ascending order. So clear with what is ascending and what is descending. You can arrange 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, infinite digit numbers into ascending and descending form. Just remember, ascending means छोटे से बड़ा. Like you stand in a queue in your classroom, that is small to the largest. In descending order उल्टा है. जो height में सबसे ज़्यादा means the longest person in your class will stand first and the shortest will be at the back. So this is what ascending and descending. Now let us understand what is place value and face value. What do you mean by place? If I say in my class I stand third, means what? My rank is what? Third. But like this is called as place value. If I say the number as 5 0 4 3, tell me what is the place of this 4? How you will read it? 5043 means what I have read it as 40 means what is the place of this? The place of this is 40. But what is the face? Face means what? Like this, like you have face. By seeing my face, that's it. If you see only this face, what is the face of this 4? It is 4 itself. वो किसके जैसा दिखता है? 4 के जैसा दिखता है. Like I say my face, how it looks like? It looks my like Pooja itself, means my name. Same over here. If I say ये किसकी तरह दिखता है? 4 की तरह. What is 4? 4 it's its name. So same. This is what place value and face value is all about. If I say the number like 800,675, what is the place of this number? Now read this number. How you will read it as 8,675 means what? इसको मैंने क्या पढ़ा? 600. Remember 8,675 means इसका place क्या है? इसका place hundreds में है. And the amount comes to how much? 600. But what is the face of this? अगर मैं बोलूँ कि ये नंबर किसके जैसा दिखता है तो तुम क्या बोलोगे? It looks like 6. So what is the face of this? Face value of this? The face value of this is only 6. So that is the difference between the place value and the face value. Let us take some more examples. Let us take a bigger number. For example, 5 8 7 3 0 6 5. Okay, this is the number. अगर मैं बोलूँ इसका क्या है place, तो how I will read it as 58,73,065. तो मैंने इसको क्या पढ़ा? 3,073,000 means what? 3,000. What is the place value of this? The place value of this 3 is 3,000. Understanding 3 followed by 3 zeros comes to how much? 3,000. तो इसका प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? प्लेस वैल्यू मीन्स वो किस जगह पे है उससे उसकी वैल्यू डिसाइड होती है. यहाँ पे पीछे से ये 4th है मीन्स व्हाट? दिस इज 3,000 क्योंकि पीछे इसके 3 और लेटर्स है, राइट? सो इट इज व्हाट? 3,000. सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस 3 इज 3,000. बट अगर मैं इन सबको इग्नोर करती हूँ एंड आई से लुक एट दिस नंबर एंड टेल मी विच इज दिस नंबर, व्हाट यू विल से? दिस नंबर इज 3. सो दैट इज व्हाट? अ फेस वैल्यू. फेस वैल्यू उसके पोजीशन को नहीं देखता, इट जस्ट सीज द नंबर एंड टेल्स कि ये नंबर कौन सा नंबर है. सो द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस नंबर इज 3. सो क्लियर with what is place value and what is face value. Now the next concept, which is expanded form, means what? अगर मैं कोई नंबर दूँ, let us take an example and we will understand this concept. For example, 432. What is this expanded form of this number? Like अगर तुम्हारी मॉम तुम्हें देती है कुछ अमाउंट, तो तुम उसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? 400 कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? 100 की 4 नोट्स, राइट? देन 30 रुपीज, तो 10 या फिर 20 प्लस 10 या फिर 10 10 10 3 times 10 and the another amount 2 रुपए, the coin of the 2 rupees. So same over here we will represent it like 400 plus 30 plus 2. मतलब क्या किया? सिंपली क्या किया? 4 को देखा मैंने, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस 2 आई हैव रिप्लेस्ड इट बाय 2 zeros. फिर मैंने 3 को देखा, 3 को लिखा, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस 2 आई हैव एडेड अ 0. एंड ये इसके आगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं, तो यू कैन नॉट रिप्लेस 0, तो दिस कम्स एज सिंगल. दिस इज व्हाट द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म इज. इसको जैसे हम रीड करते हैं ना, वैसे हम न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म में इसको अरेंज करते हैं. हाउ यू रीड दिस नंबर? यू रीड दिस नंबर एज 432. So that's what I represent, 432. Getting? Now let's take another number, which is 565 suppose. How you read this number? 567 rupees. So like how I will write it as 500 plus 67 means what? पहला मैंने क्या बोला? 60. तो what I will add to this 60? So I'll write 60 and 7. 67 means what? 7 is single, so I'll write a single 7 over here. So that is what the expanded form is. कोई 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number को तुम जैसे पढ़ते हो, you will write it like this. For example, let us take 4 digit number, which is 4852. How you read this as 4852. Let us go stepwise. पहले 4 को हमने क्या पढ़ा? 4000 means what? You will write 4000 first. Addition sign, क्योंकि उसके आगे और digits है ना, तो how you read it as 4800. 800, तो क्या लिखोगे? 800. I will write 800. Addition sign 52. क्या पढ़ा मैंने पहले? 50. तो let us write 50 first. 50 and this last one as 2. In short, what we are doing is we are separating all the thousands, hundreds, tens and units place, and writing it with the and joining the statement with the addition sign to represent this number. So this is what expanded form is. The number is this and its expanded form is this. Basically solve ऐसे ही करना. How you read it as? You have to form the number of that. Now let us understand the next concept, which is successor. What is the meaning of successor? What is the meaning of success first? We all know success. हमने बहुत सारे पिक्स देखे हैं जिसमें success is represented like this. Means what? बढ़ते जाना आगे. You know, growing yourself, moving forward. So what is in numbers? What is the meaning of successor? Successor means जो आगे वाला step होगा ये. We all know success directly we cannot achieve. You have to move step by step. So what is the meaning of step by step? एक आगे, एक पैर आगे. Like you move a stairs. कैसे हम डायरेक्ट जंप तो नहीं करते थर्ड स्टेप पे. What we do? We climb it step by step. So that is what. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि 6 नंबर है, उसका सक्सेसर क्या है? Means what? 6 के एक स्टेप आगे जाना है. अगर एक स्टेप आगे जाना है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? +1 करना पड़ेगा. तो let us do +1 क्योंकि एक स्टेप बढ़ रहा है ना. तो what I will do? +1 which comes to what? 6 plus 1? 7. So what is the successor of 6? The successor of 6 is 7. Now let us take some other example. Two digit number. For example, 15. What is the successor of 15? Same as 6. हम एक स्टेप आगे जाएंगे 15 के, तो एक स्टेप आगे जाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? +1. So let us add 1 to this. We get 16. Means what? 16 is the successor of 15. अभी और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं 3 डिजिट का. For example, 203. What is the successor of 203? What you will do? एक स्टेप आगे 203 के, तो to represent this, what we will do? We will add 1 to it. So let us add 1 to it. What we get? The answer comes to 204. Means 204 is the successor of 203. Same with the 4 digit and 5th digit. If I say 5864. Now what is the successor of this number? The successor of this number, add 1 kar do. Plus 1. So 5685 means what? 5865. So the successor of 5864 is 5865. If I say the largest 2-digit number, which is 99. अभी 99 का सक्सेसर क्या होगा? सेम लाइक प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल्स, हम इसमें भी एक ऐड कर देंगे, मीन्स एडिंग 1 to it. What we get? We get 100. लुकी, ये तो 2-digit नंबर था, बट इसका सक्सेसर 3-digit है. Can it be possible? Yes, it is possible for all 999-digit numbers. Like example this 3949. All the numbers should be 9. The successor of this will be, the successor of 3-digit number will be 4-digit number, that comes to 1000, and the successor of this 49 will be 10,000. So clear, successor एक digit ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है for this 99999 numbers.
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally, and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
सक्सेसर तो हमने देख लिया. सक्सेसर मीन्स क्या? द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अगर अभी मुझे अचानक से, नाउ आई एम क्लाइंबिंग द स्टेयर्स, अचानक से मुझे याद आ गया, ओ आई लेफ्ट माई कीज इन द कार ओनली, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? वापस पीछे जाऊँगी. मीन्स व्हाट? गोइंग बैक 1 स्टेप इज व्हाट? प्रीडिसर. जैसे यहाँ पे असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑपोजिट थे. असेंडिंग मीन्स व्हाट? छोटे से बड़ा, एंड डिसेंडिंग मीन्स व्हाट? बड़े से छोटा. दिस इज असेंडिंग, दिस इज डिसेंडिंग. असेंडिंग मतलब 0 से लेकर 9 तक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2-digit numbers, 3-digit number, 4-digit, 5-digit, infinite number of unfinite numbers we can arrange in the form of ascending and descending. So this is ascending. छोटे से बड़ा जब जाता है तो उसको ascending बोलते हैं. And over here if I say 9 and 0 मतलब क्या? This is descending. Like your report card only. अगर मैं बोलूँ तुम्हें 8th में कम मार्क्स नहीं देते, सपोज 75, okay, and you in 9th you have struggled and you scored 80, means what? Your progress is ascending, तुम बढ़ते जा रहे हो. And what is descending? For suppose you scored in your 8th standard 90% and in your 9th you got down to 80%, means what? Your progress is descending. So that is in the form of numbers ascending and descending. अभी सक्सेसर तो हमने देख लिया. व्हाट इज सक्सेसर? एक स्टेप आगे इज सक्सेसर. नाउ प्रीडिसर मीन्स क्या? लाइक आई गिव यू द एग्जांपल, मैं स्टेयर्स चढ़ रही हूँ, अचानक से मुझे याद आया लेफ्ट माई कीज इन द कार, तो मैं वापस पीछे जा रही हूँ. मीन्स व्हाट? गेटिंग 1 step डाउन इज प्रीडिसर. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? अगर एक स्टेप मुझे जाना है नीचे, सक्सेसर के लिए हम एक स्टेप बढ़ रहे थे तो हमने ऐड किया था 1, बट नाउ इट इज प्रीडिसर. अगर मैं पीछे जा रही हूँ तो व्हाट आई विल डू? आई विल सबट्रैक्ट 1. So for example, the number is suppose 9, 1-digit number. तो मैं predecessor means क्या? इससे पहले वाला नंबर. तो what I will do? I'll subtract 1. So the predecessor of 9 is what? 8. For suppose the number is 99. Digit number which is 99. What is the predecessor of this number? What we will do? Like we were adding for the successor. Previously जैसे हमने 9 में से 1 minus किया to get 8, the predecessor of 9. अब here also we will subtract 1, क्योंकि मैं suppose I climbed 99 steps and मुझे अभी याद आ रहा है कि I left my keys in my car. So what I will do? मैं पीछे आऊँगी. Means what? 99 steps तो मैं climb कर चुकी हूँ. अभी मैं वापस पीछे आ रही हूँ, मतलब कि एक step नीचे आ रही हूँ. Which comes to what? 98. So 99 minus 1 comes to 98. So what is the predecessor of 99? The predecessor of 99 is 98. 8. So same goes with 3-digit numbers also. Suppose the number is 3, 8, 5. What is the predecessor of this? Same like we were doing in for 1 digit, 2 digit. We will subtract 1 also from here. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 384. So what is the predecessor of 385? The predecessor of 385 is 384. सिंपल है, इसको कैसे याद रखना है? असेंडिंग मीन्स जैसे हमारे टीचर हमें बोलती है वाइल मेक अ क्यू असेंडिंग वाइज, या फिर जैसे हमें अरेंजमेंट मिलते हैं इन क्लासरूम्स, लाइक जो शॉर्टेस्ट चाइल्ड है will be given the first bench and the heightest means the longest person will be given the last bench. So that is how the ascending order is. And descending order मतलब क्या? बड़े से छोटा, like the tallest person in your class is made to be stand first and the shortest at the back. So that is what descending is. Place value हमने देख लिया. Place value is basically formed on the basis of position. जो पोजीशन में एक्वायर करती हूँ उसके हिसाब से I'll be ranked. For example, over here in this example only, if I say what is the position of 8, what is the place value of 8, so इस number को read करना है, like we read it normally. 385, 80 means what? इसका place क्या है? 80 है. Face value means क्या? You just have to look at it face and tell what this number is. So looking at this number, what you will say? This is 8. So the face value of this is 8. The place value is 80. So this is what place value and face value is all about. Expanded form. Like the number 987. So how will I expand this? इसको expand करना है. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना खींचना है, expand करना है. तो how we will expand this? 900 जैसे हम पढ़ते हैं वैसे 987. तो वैसे ही मैं लिखूंगी 900 लिख दूंगी प्लस लिख दूंगी 80 लिखूंगी because it is 987. So I write 80 and plus 7 single. So this is what the expanded form is. अभी successor means क्या? एक step आगे. So what we will do? We will add one to it to get the next step. For suppose 50 steps you have climbed. अभी तुम्हें और एक step climb करना है. So what will be the next step? Add 1 to 50 which is 51. So the next or the successor of 50 is what? 51. Predecessor means what? एक step पीछे. So what I will do? 50 में से 50 steps I have already climbed. अब मुझे याद आ रहा है मैं कुछ भूल गई हूँ तो I will come back. Means what? 50 minus 1 which comes to 49. So the predecessor of 50 is what? 49. So clear with all these concepts. So now we are clear with what is ascending, descending, what is the place value and face value. We are also clear with what is successor and predecessor. So now let us start the first exercise, the practical exercise 1.1. In the first question, let us read the question. Write the smallest, they are asking you the smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit number means place with units, tens, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. 5-digit numbers with the given number digits using each digit only one time. Means what? They have given you 5 digits. You have to arrange these digits and make the smallest 5-digit number. सबसे छोटा वाला 5 digit का number बनाना है from the given digits available to you. So now let us see. पहले को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? The numbers are 4, 9, 8, 7 and 2. Tell me, सबसे छोटा number बनाना means what? First I have to use the smallest number because if I say you 100 छोटा या 200, what you will say? 100. Why 100? Because the starting number is smaller. So means what? सबसे छोटा number will be at the start. Followed by मतलब कैसे जाना है पता है? You have to go in the ascending order. Okay? छोटे से बड़ा. If suppose 5 digits are given you as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? 1. So I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? So this is the way you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order to get the smallest number. So now let us read the first. They have given you 4, 9, 8, 7 and 2. Tell me which is the smallest number? 2, isn't it? So I'll write 2. Then the another smaller number leaving 2. So we have 4, 9, 8 and 7. Tell me from this 4 which is the smallest number? Yes, it is 4. So I'll write 4. Next smallest number I have 9, 8 and 7. Yes, it is 7. So I'll write 7. Next smallest number available from 9 and 8 is 8. So I'll write 8. And the last number, which is 9, because I don't have any choice. Sub numbers khatam ho gaye. 9 is the remaining one. So I'll copy it at units place. Now the second. Over here I have 1, 3, 5, 9 and 7. Tell me among this 5 digit, which is the smallest one? 1, right? So let us write 1 first. So I have 1. Second is 3, 5, 9, 7. इनमें से सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? Yes, it is 3. So I'll write 3. Then I have 5, 9 and 7. Which is the smallest amongst them? 5. So I'll write 5. Now 9 and 7. Amongst this both, which is the smaller number? 7. And the last number which I have is 9. So I'll copy 9 as it is. Now the third option. In the third option, look at these 5 numbers. Tell me which is the smallest. 2 is the smallest. So I'll write 2 first. Then amongst this 4, which is the smallest? It is 3. So I'll write 3. Now I have 6, 8 and 4. Amongst this 3, which is the smallest number? It is 4. So I'll write 4. Now we have two numbers, which is 6 and 8. Tell me amongst this both, which is the smallest number? 6, and which is followed by 8. So these are the three numbers we have. Now we have to compare these numbers and tell which is the smallest number, because they are asking you the smallest number from this 3. Okay? In 5 digits say the smallest number that can I get is 2, 4, 7, 8 and 9. From this 5 digits I can get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the smallest digit, the smallest number. From this available digits, which are 5 digits, I can get 5 digits smallest number as 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. So इन्होंने सबका small digit नहीं पूछा. They are asking you write the digit using write the smallest 5 digit numbers. Means what? एक इनमें से सबसे छोटा लिखना है. तो let us compare this. See, this has 2. This also has 2. In its 10,000 place. Means what? This is 23,000. This is 24,000. This is 13,000. So which one is the smaller? 13, because 24 और 23 से छोटा है 13. Means what? This is our answer. So this second option is our answer. Now let us move on to the second question. In this question, what they are asking, largest 5 digit numbers with the given digits. Means what? You have to write the largest digits from the available 5 digit number. So let us write. In the first option they are telling you that 1, 3, 5, 9 and 7. See over here you have to write all this, okay? And then you can say from the available 3 options, we get the smallest number as 13, 5, 79. But you even have to write the first option smallest digit and the third option smallest digit as well. Now the second question. They are asking you largest 5 digit number. Over here they were asking smallest. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? Largest 5 digit numbers. So now let us see. First, अभी यहाँ पे उल्टा करना है. In the first question, what we were doing is ascending order we were following. But when largest comes means what? See, smallest का opposite largest है. तो ascending का opposite is what? Descending. Means what? You have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Now let us see. I have 1, 3, 5, 9 and 7. इनमें से बड़ा number कौन सा है? Because they are asking you what? Largest. So I have 1, 3, 5, 9 and 7. So 9 is the largest among them. So let us write 9 first. Now I have 1, 3, 5 and 7. Amongst this, which is the largest number? It is 7. So I'll write 7 over here. Now I have 1, 3 and 5. Amongst this, 5 is the largest. So 5. Then I have 3. Then I have 1. See, they have not mentioned you from this 3 also you have to write the smallest number or not. So to be on the safe side, you can write this 5 digits smallest number, this 5 digits smallest number, this 5 digits smallest number, and at the end you can compare this 3 and write the in तीनों में से भी जो छोटा है that you can write. See, they are not asking you this, but the way you can format, because see every teacher has different answers. So to meet all those answers, this is the you are providing everything that a teacher needs in your question paper. So in the second question also we will do the same. We will prepare the largest number that we can do from this 5-digit numbers. Then we will compare the 3 numbers and we will derive the largest 3 numbers from this 3 also. So I have done with the largest 5-digit number from the first option. Now the second option. In the second option I have 4, 9, 8, 7 and 2. Tell me amongst this 5-digit which is the largest number. Yes, the largest number is what? 9. So I'll write 9 over here. So 9 is done. Now from 4, 8, 7 and 2, which is the largest number? It is 8. So I'll write 8 over here. Then I have 7, 2 and 4. So I'll go with 7. Then it's 2 and 4. Which is the largest number from 4 and 2? It is 4. So I'll write 4 followed by the smallest number which is 2. See, can you see यहाँ पे 9 सबसे बड़ा था तो वो लास्ट में लिखा हमने because they are asking you smallest number. तो smallest number को पहले लिखना है, largest को लास्ट में डालना है. In the second option, in the second question they are asking you largest 5-digit number. तो जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर था उसको पहले लिखा, in the descending order जो छोटा था उसको लास्ट में लिख दिया. So this is how we have to prepare the smallest and the largest digit numbers from the available 5-digit number. Now let us move on to third. In this third option, I have 6, 8, 3, 4 and 2. Tell me amongst this which is the largest number because they are asking you largest 5-digit number. तो सबसे बड़ा वाला देखना है. Over here I have 8 because 6, 3, 4 and 2 are all smaller than 8. So I'll write 8. Then I have 6, the another largest number. So I'll write 6. Then I have 4. So I'll write 4, 3 and 2. Means what? I have arranged these numbers in the descending form. That is बड़े से छोटा. Now you have to compare these 3 numbers and tell which is the largest number. Over here, this both are 9. This is 8. Means what? This is the smaller digit number. So this is eliminated. Now I have 9 and 9. So पहला number दोनों का same है. So what we will do? We will move on to the next digit. Over here I have 8. Over here I have 7. Tell me which is the bigger number, 8 or 7? It is 8. Means what? This is the largest number from the available 3 digits. 3 options. Now we will move on to the next question. In this question, they are asking you write the successor of each number. I explain you what is a successor. I am climbing a step like a stairs. I am climbing stairs. I have reached the 50th step. Now I have to move forward. Means what? अगला स्टेप कौन सा होगा? 50, 51 क्योंकि 50 के बाद 51 आता है. Means what I have done? I have added 1 to 50. That is what a successor is. So they have given you the 3 numbers and they are asking you what is the successor of these numbers. Now tell me over here I have 24,781. What I will do? I will add 1 to it. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 24,782. Just एक add करना है. Means what? You have climbed this much steps and you are asking what is the next step. So क्या करना है? Add करना है. Same over here. I'll add 1. So 9 plus 1 comes to 10. So 1 over here, 0 over here. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 as it is. 2, 5. Means what? 52,789 का सक्सेसर क्या होगा? उसके बाद वाला नंबर क्या होगा? It will be 52,790. Now the third option. I have 98,700. 98,700 का नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा? 98,701. क्या किया मैंने? Just 1 ऐड कर दिया. So successor पूछा तो what we have to do? We have to just add 1 to the given number. So this number was given to us. We have added 1. So the answer comes to 98,701. Now the next question. In this question they are asking you predecessor. See, ascending का opposite descending. Successor का opposite is what? Predecessor. As I told you, I am climbing stairs. अचानक से मुझे याद आया, I left my keys in my car. So what I will do? I'll go back. So पीछे जाने को क्या बोलते हैं? Predecessor means the number preceding the number is the preceder. तो अगर पहले वाला नंबर देखना है लाइक 8 का प्रीडिसर क्या होगा, तो 8 minus 1 which comes to 7. तो 7 is the predecessor of 8. So that way over here we have added 1. In the next question we will subtract 1 क्योंकि यहाँ successor पूछा था, यहाँ पे predecessor पूछा है. तो what I will do, I will subtract 1. So the answer comes to what? 98,699. मतलब क्या किया, 700 में से 1 माइनस कर दिया, I got 699 and 78,000 as it is. Now the next question, our next option which is 2, 4, 7, 8 and 1. What I will do, I will subtract 1 क्योंकि predecessor पूछा, successor पूछा था, तो what I did, I added 1, but predecessor means what, I have to go back, so I have subtracted 1. So the answer comes to what, 2, 4, 7, 8 and 0 because 1 minus 1 comes to what, 0. Now the next question, over here also we have to find what, predecessor means क्या करना पड़ेगा, -1. So the answer comes to what, 52,788. Minus 9 minus 1 comes to what, 8. So predecessor पूछा है मतलब क्या किया मैंने, -1. So clear with all the 4 questions.